I'm back in the kitchen with Chef Ricardo cooking show. It's amazing to be in the kitchen, guys. Thank you so much for watching Chef Ricardo cooking show. Anyway, I want to simply say to you, so far we are on a good track at the moment because Chef Ricardo is coming out with a new show, which is gonna be a studio show. It's gonna be like a TV show style. And I'm basically, so far we have the donation, which is at the YouTube channel where, to be honest, a few people donate towards the program already. So if anyone interested, I don't want to drop a pound or so anything, you're gonna get some more information about the studio which Chef Ricardo be launching, where you can come in and taste Chef Ricardo food. So there's a lot of stuff coming in the pipeline, but some more details gonna come towards that. But anyway, today we make you a nice, lovely drink, which is blueberry and strawberry and ice cream smoothie. Basically, if you like the recipe, subscribe to the channel. And as I say, the donation fee section is right top. A lot of people donate £1 without asking for nothing big. £1 or 50p. That's the least, or $1 US. Anyway in the world, just £1. So guys, we know a lot of people so far donate to us to the show. We want to say thank you so much for who donated to Chef Ricardo show so far. I want to take out the time and tell you thank you so much, guys. It's brilliant, and you know what I mean, we are doing well at the moment. We're gonna launch out this new studio, which is coming out. Welcome back to Chef Ricardo cooking show. Today we're gonna make a nice, lovely drink. Basically, I want to simply say to you, I have some strawberry and blueberry left over. These are some frozen ones, which I brought a pack inside of in the supermarket, and I have a few left over. Right over here, I just blend up some ice cream and some milk just now, roughly a couple spoons of ice cream and some milk. So basically what I wanna do, I'm just gonna simply show you. I'm gonna make you a nice lovely drink. I'm gonna do it like this. So first of all, if I pop all of the frozen fruits in a smoothie blender like this. Just gonna blend this for about 2 seconds. To be honest, you don't even need to put no water, nothing. That's natural. I brought a pack of frozen fruits, just strawberry and blueberry, and trust me, it just goes really well. So we're gonna blend this about 2 seconds. Nice and lovely. So now it's finished, and basically, look at this inside of it. Nice one. So what we're gonna do is just like this. I'm gonna pour the ice cream down inside of it like this. First of all, let's get the ice cream. Got some already blend up the ice cream, so let's pour it in like this. Nice one. You don't want to put too much because you want to see the blueberry and the strawberry. Alright? Then pour it in like this. Nice one. Second thing, if you got like a heavy spoon, is even better to go inside of it and simple. Give it a nice little spin like this. And to get it straight inside of it. So it's blueberry ice cream and strawberry smoothie. So hopefully you guys like the recipe. Subscribe to the channel and please leave your comments. Thank you so much for watching the cooking show. Got a lot more recipe coming out for you. And this is from Chef Ricardo LT recipe drink. Enjoy and see you next time. Thank you so much. And hopefully you will love this one. See you next time. Bye bye.